In this video, I'm going to show you this secret manifestation technique that will help you manifest your desires while you sleep. Now, I want to give credit to this YouTuber. His name is AJ. I'm going to put his channel in the description. Go check out his videos. And one other thing, guys, before we get into this technique, hit that subscribe button for me, because we on our way to 10,000 subscribers. And hit that like button for me. I really appreciate it. Now let's get into this technique. So what you're going to do is write down this affirmation. And the affirmation goes like this: I am happy and joyfully. And then after you say joyfully, you put down what you're trying to manifest. So for instance, if you're trying to manifest your dream job, you would say, I'm happy and joyfully working on my dream job, or working at my dream job. So you will write that down. Then after you write that down 3 times, then you're going to write down, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, thank you, universe. So write that down 3 times also. Then after that, what you're going to do is put that under your pillow. So you're going to put it on your pillow, and then you're going to say it again to yourself before you go to sleep. Say that affirmation, then say, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, thank you, universe. And then you just go to sleep. And then when the next day come around, you're going to write it again 3 times. And then you're going to also write down, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, 3 times. And you're going to put it under your pillow again. So you're going to take the old one out and put in a new one and put it under your pillow. Say the affirmation again, say it 3 times, and then say, thank you, universe, thank you, universe, thank you, universe. And you have to do this for 21 days, guys. I know it might seem like a lot of work, but this will work. So it's a simple technique, guys. So you just do that every day for 21 days. Try to go through it all the way straight. Don't miss a day. So try it out. See if it works for you. And let me know if it works for you guys. Come back to this video. Leave it down in the comments, because we want to know if it worked for you. And I'm going to do it too. I'm going to do it again. I'll share my results with you also, and I'm gonna come back and leave it in the comments, or I'll just put it on my community tab. Now, if you found this video helpful, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Give me a like, drop a comment down below. I read all comments, and share this everywhere. Let's go, guys. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers so I can give away some free money to 3 people. And on that note, peace, get woke, and keep manifesting.